Then cloud computing. Cloud computing is named as such because the information being accessed is found remotely in the cloud or virtual space. Companies that provide cloud services enable users to store files and applications on remote service and then access all the data via the internet. This means the users is not required to be in a specific place to gain access to it, allowing the users to work remotely. Cloud computing takes all the heavy lifting involved in crunching and processing data away from the device you carry around or sit and work at. It also moves all of that work to huge computer clusters far away in cyberspace. The internet become the cloud. Your data, work, and applications are available from any device with which you can connect to the internet anywhere in the world.
What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources include tools and applications like data storage, servers, databases, networking, and software. Rather than keeping files on a proprietary hard drive or local storage device, cloud-based storage makes it possible to save them to a remote database. As long as an electronic device has access to the web, it has access to the data and software programs to run it. Cloud computing is a popular option for people and businesses for a number of reasons, including cost saving, increased productivity, speed and efficiency, performance and security. What is an example of cloud computing? Today, there are several examples of cloud computing applications used by both businesses and individuals. One type of cloud service would be streaming platforms for audio or video, where the actual media files are stored remotely. Another would be data storage platforms like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, or Books.
Of cloud computing. Cloud-based software offers companies from all sectors a number of benefits, including the ability to use software from any device, either via a native app or a browser. As a result, users can carry their files and settings over to other devices in a completely seamless manner. Cloud computing is far more than just accessing files on a multiple devices. Thanks to cloud computing service, users can check their mail on any computer and even store files using services such as Dropbox and Google Drive. Cloud computing services also make it possible for users to back up their music, files, and pictures, ensuring those files are immediately available in the event of a hard drive crash. It also offers big business huge cost saving potential. Before the cloud become available alternative, companies were required to purchase, construct, and maintain costly information management technology and infrastructure. Companies can swap costly service centers and IT departments for fast internet connections, where employees interact with the cloud online to complete their tasks. The cloud structure allows individuals to save storage space on their desktops or laptops. It also lets users upgrade software more quickly because software companies can offer their broadcast via the web rather than through more traditional tangible method involving disks or flash drives. For example, Adobe customer can access applications in its Creative Cloud through an internet-based subscription. This allows users to download a new version of Fix to their programs easily.
Disadvantage of the cloud. With all of the speed, efficiencies, and innovations that come with cloud computing, there are naturally risks. Security has always been a big concern with cloud, especially when it comes to sensitive medical records and financial information. While regulations force cloud computing services to shore up their securities and compliance measures, it remains an ongoing issue. Encryption protects vital information, but if the encryption key is lost, the data disappears. Servers maintained by cloud computing companies may fall victim to natural disasters, internal bugs, and power outage too. The geographical reach of cloud computing cuts both ways. A blackout in California could paralyze users in New York, and a firm in Texas could lose its data if something causes its main base provider to crash. As with any technology, there is a learning curve for both employees and managers. But with many individuals accessing and manipulating information through a single portal, inadvertent mistakes can transfer across an entire system.
The main type of cloud computing. The main type of cloud computing services include infrastructure as a services, platform as a services, and software as a services. As providing information technology infrastructure to end users via the internet and remotely associated with serverless computing. PaaS services both software and hardware to end users who are generally software developers. PaaS allows the users to develop, run, and manage their own apps without having build and maintain the infrastructure. SaaS is a software licensing model which always access to software on subscription basis using external services without having to develop and install them locally.